Okay, let's start with question 16. It asks you to find the volume of this prism. The volume of any prism can be found if you work out the area of the face at the front and then times it by the depth of the shape. So we have a trapezium at the front, and the formula for the area of a trapezium is A plus B times by the height and then all divided by 2. So A in this case is 8, that's 12, the height is 6. Okay, so we'll do 8 plus 12 times by 6 divided by 2, which is 20 times 6 divided by 2, which turns out to be 60 square centimeters. Okay, so that's the area. That would be the first mark, just for getting 60. Then we need to times it by the depth, so 60 times 20 will get you the second mark, and that's 1,200 cubic centimeters, so that gives us the volume. Now that we know the volume, we can use that to help us work out the mass. We're told the density, and I find the units of density very useful for helping me work out the formula. It says grams per cubic centimeters. That means grams per cubic centimeters being volume. So density equals grams per volume, but let's change grams for mass. Okay, so if density equals mass divided by volume, we know that the density is 5, we know that the mass is what we're looking for, and we know that the volume is 1,200. So to work out the mass, we'd need to do 5 times 1,200, or the density times the volume. Okay, so that would be the third mark, just for timesing by 5, appreciating you need to times by 5, and that gives you 6,000 grams. And that would be mark number 4. Sorry, mark number 4 would actually be to divide that by 1,000 to turn it into grams, into kilograms. 6,000 divided by 1,000. That's what's going to give you the fourth mark. And what's going to give you the final mark is for accurately getting the fact that the answer is 6. Okay, that's it.